Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Plaza, Karnal. Today we are discuss about the topic that is digital marketing, the new digital world. Digital marketing is a marketing of product and services using digital technology, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phone, display advertisement, and other any digital media. Digital media development since 1999 and 2000 has changed the way brand and business use technology in marketing. As digital platforms are increasingly incorporated into marketing plan and everyday life, and as usual digital device instant in visiting physical shop, digital marketing companies and become more prevalent and efficient. Digital marketing methods such as search engine optimization SEO, search engine marketing, content marketing, influence marketing, content automation, companies marketing, data drive marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, any forms of marketing are used to SMS to MMS and call back and no mobile ringing tone. The 5D of digital marketing. To understand the importance of digital marketing to future marketing in business, it helpful to think about their audience interaction we are need to understand and manage. Digital marketing today is about many more type of audience interaction than a website and emails, and it involving managing and harassing of the 5D digital. First one, digital device. Audience express brand as their interface and with business website and mobile apps typically through a combination of connected device including smartphone, tablets, desktop, computer, etc. Digital platform most interaction on these devices are through a browser or app from the major platform services that Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn. Digital media, different paid own and earned communication channel for reaching and engaging the audience including advertisement, email, messaging, search engine, social network, etc. Fourth one, digital data, the insight business collection about their audience profile and of the interaction within the business with the now to need product and law of the more countries. And last one, digital technology, the marketing technology of the Mr. Max stack in business used to create interactive expenses from the website and mobile app in store, kiosks and email companies. Why are business shifting from traditional marketing to digital marketing? Internet has requested a rapid way of the impact every walk of life. Looking at the massive scope of the internet, we are change happiness in a fast pace. Digital marketing allow the small business owner to take their business to mass to with earlier with the remote possibility. For example, some of reason may why digital marketing own is rise. First one, converting the marketing to sale. Traditional marketing the product to massive but combative reach in the sale in another requirement other nodes. But digital marketing, a click on the tech and customer to website where he can buy the product at once. Online store like Amazon and eBay are still using traditional ads to complement and their in the online marketing strategy. Second one, third one, cost friendly. There are considered reduction of the cost of the marketing after the company adopting digital marketing. Why? Because there is a shift in the way people buy product after internet shopping was introducing. Customer have become a smarter. They prefer and the research and compare the price before of the decided on the product, go to store to buy. If you want to website to reach and the customer in need it as search engine oil oriented and very easy to navigate and the use front. If website is not SEO oriented, you will be missing a major chunk on the your tab. And next one, target reach. While transaction method of marketing like television, radio, ads play a major part of research and customer, they reach broader audience. If cannot target certain audience think to benefit from a product. In such in case, you are losing money. You are cannot be certain if by product are reached in the interacted audience. And last one, fair play. The traditional methods of marketing have been born of being business who can sell out of the money for highly profit and prime times ads. But they are digital marketing on the rise. Every even small business get a chance to put together a soil marketing strategy. Thank you.